Hello, you're watching Novice Tech World. Today we will learn how to automatically fill data in cells. In this video, I will show you how to use Fill option to automatically copy data or formulas down a column. How to use the Fill option to automatically copy data or formulas across a row. How to fill a series of data automatically without typing. Stay tuned to learn all this and watch how it makes your life simple. So let's see how we can use the autofill function when you're copying down a column. Say I have an AutoSum formula out here in this cell, which gives me a total of the sales in January and in February. That would be 20. Yeah. Now, if I want to copy this down, copy the formula down across the column, I can either do this, drag and select, or what I can do is use the shortcut Control D. So I will select the range that I want to copy the formula across and click on Control D. And this would do the same thing. So it would give me a summation of these two cells in this cell, and that would copy across all the cells below. Let's do that again. Select the formula, the cell that has a formula and the range that you want to copy it down in a column, and click on Control D. Similarly, if you have a formula out here, let's put an AutoSum formula here, okay? And you want to copy this formula across the row. So you want to fill it across on the right. You can either drag it and fill it up, or you can select the range that you want to copy it to across. And since it is filling right, you will use Control R. So if you see, this has given us a summation of the column and this one. So this is how you automatically fill a column downwards or across the right. Okay, let's do it once more. Say I have an AutoSum out here of this range, and I want to copy this formula, this AutoSum formula, towards the right across these two cells. I will say Control R. Click on Control R and you will get the formula across right. Another feature in Excel is to fill in a series of already known um, factors, like you have January, February months of the year. So Excel will automatically detect the next month. So if you click these two and you want to drag it across the right, if you see, Excel automatically fills in the months of the year. Let's do that again. Say you have only January, suppose, and you want to automatically fill in the remaining cells and you don't want to type it in, you will just drag it across and Excel will fill it in for you. Similarly, if you have the week of the day of the day of the week, which is Sunday, and you just drag it down, you'll see it keeps incrementing it and all the days of the week appear. You can also use this feature with the week number. Say you have a table which needs week numbers. So if you drag this down, it automatically populates an incremental of 1, which is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. So this is how Excel will automatically fill in the series based on a value in the cell. It automatically detects what it needs to fill next. That's it from my side. If you want to see more of such videos, click on the playlist showing up or watch the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do leave a comment if you have questions or suggestions for improvement. Thank you for watching. I could really appreciate if you could like and share with friends who could benefit from this video. Until we meet again, have a good day.